Now do it slowly, unless you want to use a spoon, Dad. All you gotta do is put it in now. Keep going. Here. Ready? Grandpa's gonna put it in now. Start as you're doing it a little bit. Here we go. I'm gonna hold this. Start squeezing. Squeeze it in there. See how the powder's going down? Squeeze, Gracie. Good job. Do you need help? Okay, keep squeezing. Squeeze, sweetheart. Squeeze. Great job. Keep squeezing. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, Grandpa's putting all that dry powder mix in there, isn't he? Say, great job, Grandpa.
Great job, Grandpa.
And we're making ginger snaps and gingerbread cookies and everything else. Keep going, Grace. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Great job. Keep squeezing. Squeeze hard, Gracie. Squeeze fast.
No.
Here, want me to squeeze for a little bit?
No.
Can I squeeze?
No.
You want to squeeze?
Yeah.
Okay, you keep squeezing. You're doing a great job. Say, I know I am. I'm Gracie.
I know I am. I'm Gracie.
Yeah, and Grandpa's helping you out. Good job, sweetie. Grandpa and I are both really proud of you. Look at you, you're making these all by yourself, aren't you? You're doing a great job. Keep going. Keep squeezing it. You got to squeeze it all the way back. Squeeze it all the way back. Good job. Good job. Keep going. Grandpa's almost done. Keep going. Look at, see, you're making mounds in there. See how it's going? Keep going. Keep squeezing.
You
You want me to squeeze for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
You squeeze.
Okay, hold on. That's it. Okay, you want me to squeeze for a little bit now?
No.
Okay, good job. Tell Grandpa, thank you very much for helping me, Grandpa. I think he deserves a hug, don't you? For helping. And Grandpa deserves a hug. And a big kiss. Aww. Aww. You're so good to your Grandpa. Say thank you, Grandpa. Okay. Now, we ready for the next step?